Okay. So as part of last class, what we discussed about overriding, correct?
Without, yes.
Overriding. Overriding means if overriding will happen between two classes. One is superclass and subclass.
Yes.
Like animal, cat, dog. Animal is a superclass. Cat and dog are the
Mm-hmm.
subclasses, correct?
Subclass.
So
Yes.
if you don't like any feature, the existing feature, whatever it is coming from the superclass, you can override it.
Yes.
Okay, so that is the
Yes.
basic. So overriding will be happening always between two classes.
Mm-hmm.
So in case of overriding, we need a superclass and subclass, correct?
Yes, correct.
So minimum we needed two classes. Today we are
Of
going to
course.
see another topic, overloading.
Overloading. Okay.
Yeah, so this is the different topic we will see today.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let
Mm-hmm.
me create a new project. So I'm going to create a new Java project.
Mm-hmm.
Click new Java
Mm-hmm.
project.
Mm-hmm. In real life, how often we create projects, or it depends on the test lead, or it depends on
Yeah,
the.
generally in real life, right? We will
Mm-hmm.
not create much project.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, we will not create one much projects because we will create one project. So in that one
Mm-hmm.
project, more people will be. I mean, everybody need to work on that one project.
Oh, I
Okay.
see. Okay.
Yeah, we will not create more projects basically.
Mm-hmm.
Just a second, I will come back.
Sure.
Yeah, hello.
Yes.
Yeah, sorry. Okay. So in real life, you whatever question you ask, right? We will not create more projects.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's a good question actually. As part of the next
Okay.
topic, why we will not create more projects, you will understand. It's a very good question.
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
after this overloading, so we are going to
Mm-hmm.
discuss some different topic. So by using that different topic, then you will get more clarity. So why we will not create more projects.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, now
Mm-hmm.
loading demo. So this is our project name, overloading demo, and finish it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Just finish it. So now expand it, and if you see src, so far we have
Mm-hmm.
not created any Java file, so src is empty, and there is no
Mm-hmm.
Java file, so there is no dot class files, correct?
Okay.
So
Yes.
all that dot class file will be generated under bin class, and all Java
Mm-hmm.
files we have to write under src.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, and if you see there are some other files also will be there, dot class and dot git dot project. So these are for Eclipse purpose. So
Mm-hmm.
these settings are only for Eclipse purpose. Did you see this dot settings? So this is Eclipse
Yeah.
purpose, and the dot
Uh-huh.
class, all those things are Eclipse purpose only. So all
Okay.
these files will be created by Eclipse, so that we will see slowly one by one. Okay.
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 Mm-hmm.
Now, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new Java file under src. Okay. Right click,
Mm-hmm.
go to. We need to create a class, right? So generally,
Yes.
what we are doing, we are going to other and we are selecting class, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So now, if you
Or
see
we can
here,
click the class here.
yes, if you see here, right, there is a class is there. So directly you can click it here. No need to go
Mhm.
inside.
Yes, correct.
Okay, now over, overloading manager. So this is my class name,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and I need default public static void main method, right? So what I will do, I will
Of course.
select this one and finish it.
Manohar, I have a question.
Yeah.
So if you can go back the previous screen and
Okay.
you know
Yeah, yeah.
the place where you wrote
Create the
overloading
class.
manager. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So sometimes when I practice,
Uh,
on the top where it says Java class, blah blah blah, I see some not like in error message. I see some yellow triangle
uh-huh.
where they're trying to say me something like, it's kind of alert, but this is not an error. But I don't see that
Oh,
the
okay.
triangle thing often. You know what I'm saying?
You see some warning kind of thing?
Yeah, 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 yeah. Like
Yes.
a yellow triangle, and
Ah,
then
yeah,
there's
yellow triangle.
one.
Yes, I got it.
Yeah.
It's look like this.
So why is it? Yeah,
It
correct.
is a
Yeah.
triangle and it's in this color.
Yeah, 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 yeah,
Correct?
yeah, yeah. Yes.
Okay. It's in this color warning. So basically,
Mm-hmm.
why we are getting that one? That your question will be clarified as part of next topic.
Oh, okay,
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 I can
okay.
understand. I see here there is no default package, and you will see some yellow color warning.
Mm-hmm.
Yellow
Mm-hmm.
color triangle is that is an indication for
Yes,
warning. It's not error. It is a
it's
just
not an error.
warning.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that will be
Okay, no
clarified as
problem.
part of next class. It's also a very good question.
Yes.
That will be
Okay.
clarified as part of next topic.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Because I was wondering,
Right.
and then I played with the,
It's a
capital
warning.
letter, small letter.
No, it's
Then
a
I came up with my own solution, but I really don't know what's the reason
yeah.
behind that.
It's a warning. And yesterday also I sent you one in WhatsApp some picture, right? Like my Wi-Fi was not connecting. Correct?
Uh-huh,
So in
uh-huh.
that also if you
Yes.
see here, right, you will see there is a yellow color indication and Wi-Fi symbol.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
I don't know you might have noticed very closely or not. If
Yes,
you
I
see,
noticed it, yes.
so on the
The
Wi-Fi,
yellow
right, so
thing.
there is a yellow color symbol was coming. It's a kind of warning actually.
Yeah.
So it was showing
Warning.
Wi-Fi, but internet is not connecting. So that
Mm-hmm,
is a
mm-hmm,
warning symbol. Okay.
mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay,
Now,
no problem.
yes. Okay. Now this is a public static void main.
Yes.
So now what I want to do, I want to create a calculator class.
Okay.
So it's a different class I am creating. Class calc. This is my another class. So inside calculator, what I want to do, I want to create public, not public, int add. So what it will do, add, what it will do, it will take two numbers, integer a comma integer b, and after that what it will do, it will do sum of the two numbers, and it will return the.
Got it. Yeah.
So this is what my calculator will do. Just it will add two numbers and it will return it back.
Yes.
So it will add two numbers and it will return it back. Okay, how to call this add method? If I want to invoke this method, what I had to create an object, correct?
Object, correct.
So I had
Yes.
to create object for calc. How to create an object? Calc, calc,
And then create a reference.
yeah, c equal to new
Okay.
calc and c dot
C
add,
dot add.
and I need to pass the numbers, that 20 comma 30. So these are the inputs for the add. So it will return a number, integer sum equal to correct. Now what I will do, I will receive the sum. So I want to display the sum. Integer sum is can display sum, correct. So now if I run it, so whatever we are passing 20 plus 30 will become 50, correct?
Yes,
Okay,
correct.
now let me run it. Oh, sorry. See, now we are getting the results, correct?
Correct.
Okay, now if you go back to our calculator class, so what we are doing here, just we are adding two numbers, correct? So add is a method, it will take two numbers and it will add, correct?
Of course, yes.
Okay, say for instance, now user want to add three numbers.
Okay.
User want to do sum of three numbers. This method can do three numbers sum. No, it cannot. It cannot do, right?
No, we have to create
Only
another.
yes, we have to create another method. So that method name should be the same name, and the requirement is now it should take three numbers,
Okay.
and it should sum of the three numbers, and it should return back.
Okay. So we can keep the same method,
Same
but we
method
can
name,
change.
different arguments,
Okay.
correct? So user
Okay.
will feel add, and it will take three numbers, correct? So here I will
Okay.
give 20, 30, comma 40. So this is a sum 2, correct? So
You
this
just
is
change
called
the reference.
correct. We cannot use same variable name again. So that's what. So I'm giving some different variable name. So this is called overloading. Overloading means in a same class, same method name, same return type, but the arguments will change. Behavior is same,
Same
correct?
class.
What add will do, it will add some numbers, correct? But how many
Yes.
numbers it will add? How many numbers it will add? That is the difference.
Okay, got it.
So this is called as a overloading. So overloading means if you see, if you take one of the truck, right? So inside the truck maybe they will carry something, right? So whenever if they want to carry, right? If they will put more things, then what you will say? Truck is overloading, correct?
Yes.
Truck
Yes.
is overloading means we are keeping more things of kind of similar things, correct?
Yes.
Maybe they will carry, say for instance, sometime what they will do, they will carry the chairs one place to another place, correct? Some goods, so that goods belongs to of kind of similar type, so they will overload it, correct? They will put more things into the truck. So that time we used to use overloading. So here also the calculator, what is the purpose of calculator? It will do some mathematical operations, correct?
Mm-hmm.
That mathematical operations, the one example is add. It may add two numbers, it may add three numbers, correct? It's kind of similar kind of
Okay.
operations.
Similar kind of version. Yep.
Yes, so this is the definition of overloading. It's the same return type, same method name, but different arguments. This is very, very important.
Okay. Different arguments.
Yeah, now the important question for you is what is the difference between overloading and overriding?
Mm-hmm.
So this question you will get an interview. So
Interview. Okay.
yes, overloading means in same class, same method name, same return type, but different arguments.
Mm-hmm.
So this
And
is over.
overwriting, I believe, superclass to subclass.
Correct.
Something like that.
To do overriding, we needed two people, two different classes, correct?
Yes.
So in
Two
real,
different independent classes, right?
two different classes, and there should be relation between the two classes extents.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Say for instance, you take a simple class. If there is a class is there, inside the class students will be there, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So first rank will be given by only one people, correct?
Mm-hmm.
One guy will get first rank. Say for
Okay.
instance, next quarter, there is a in a same class another student override the guy who got the first rank.
Mm-hmm.
It might be right.
Yes.
So that time we used to use he override that first rank. Say for instance, first time John got the first rank. Second time Robert got the first rank. So John went to the second rank.
Yes.
So that time we can assume that is the difference between overriding, correct? So overriding between
Mm-hmm.
happening along with two classes,
Okay.
correct?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So now you got the difference, right? Overriding and
Yes.
overloading.
Yeah. Correct.
So
Yes.
this is a very important question. You will get questions for you in interview.
Mm.
It's clear, right? What is overriding?
Yes, it's clear.
Yeah. Okay, now we will go to a different topic.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to create a different project.
Mm-hmm.
Packages. So this is also, you will not get much questions for packages, but this is very, very important as a practice purpose.
Okay.
So you
Mm-hmm.
will not get much questions, but when you start working on this any project, right? So in real time, we have to use this kind of things, packages.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now, so this is our project packages. So if you see here inside SRC so far, there is no Java
Mm-hmm.
files.
Okay. Yep.
So this is the warning symbol. Did you see here?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
so here also there is a warning. What is saying? We created a variable sum2, correct?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
See, it's a warning. It is saying you created a variable but you never used it. Why you created? That's what
You didn't print it.
Eclipse is
Yeah.
telling. You can remove it. That's what Eclipse is telling.
Uh-huh.
You created a variable but you are not using it. Unnecessary, you are doing waste of memory.
Uh-huh.
Correct? So that's what Eclipse is telling.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So if you want to create it, you have to avoid this warning. What you have to do, you have to use the variable like this
Mm-hmm.
sum2. We can print it. Now the warning will go away.
Mm-hmm.
Now you created the variable, but we are using the variable, correct?
Uh-huh.
So the
Yes.
warning went out. So just warning.
I have a silly question. There is
Mhm.
no like undo button like on Eclipse, right? Because
Undo
sometimes I made
is
a
undo
yeah,
is
like going back
uh,
like on MS Word, let's say by mistakenly you wrote something and you just hit undo button, then it took back to the previous screen, something like that. So in Eclipse, there's nothing like that, right?
say for instance now I did. I type this one, right? If I want to go back to the previous thing, Control Z only, right? It's not that one you are expecting.
Control Z, you said?
Yes, Control G, yes.
Oh, okay, okay, got it. Yeah,
So if I want to
understood.
get again back, Control Y. So now this
Control
is the
Y.
one, Control
Understood.
Y. Say for instance,
Uh-huh.
if I want to go back to the previous step, Control Z. If I want
Mm-hmm.
to come back to the forward step, again back, then Control Y.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. In Word also, in Word you might have seen this one, yeah. Control G is to go back to the previous step, Control Z to
Mm-hmm.
the go back to the forward step,
Okay, makes
Control
sense.
Z
Yeah.
and Control Y.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, yeah, this is clear, right? Overloading and overriding.
Yes. Yeah.
So these two are part of object-oriented programming concepts.
Okay.
So in interview they will ask, can you tell me some OOPS concepts? Then you have to say overloading, overriding, and
Okay.
inheritance.
Uh-huh.
So these are the some of the concepts. Now we will go to another topic called packages. So what is packages, that we will see. Okay, now if you see inside SRC, so far we have not
Mm-hmm.
created any Java class, correct? Java
Yes.
file.
Uh-huh.
So it is empty. Now if there is a question. If you see, I mean in your house, right? So far you have how many
Mm-hmm.
rooms are available? You have a living room or a hall
Mm-hmm.
or a
Mm-hmm.
kitchen or a bathroom. You have so many rooms, right?
Mm-hmm.
Why we
Mm-hmm.
divided that many rooms? We can create one big room, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So we are
To
not
look it nice. Yeah.
to make it more simple, right? To make it more simple and to
Simple.
use exactly. So hall is just to sit and to talk, correct? Kitchen is only
Mm-hmm.
for cooking purpose, correct?
Uh-huh.
So for
Yes.
every room there is a some specific reason, right?
Yes.
So in kitchen you cannot sit and talk, correct? So you will sit and
Correct.
talk
Yeah.
only in living room.
Yes.
So in you will put your TV in general living room, correct?
Yes.
You will
Correct.
not put your TV into kitchen room, correct?
Correct.
So there is a specific reason for creating these many rooms, correct?
Yes.
So for each
Yes.
room you dedicated for some reason, correct?
Correct. Yes.
In the
Yeah.
similar way, so far what we are doing now, say for instance inside SRC, now what I am doing, I am trying to create a calculator class.
Mm-hmm.
Did you see this is the warning you are telling, right?
Yeah. This is the one I was talking.
Yeah. So now we have a warning, correct? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I will tell you how to fix that one. So now I want to create a calculator. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And the calculator and finish it. Yes, one class is done. And the similar way I want to create another class. Right click, the same
Mm-hmm.
here. So inside SRC you can able to create n number of classes. There is no limit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now I'm going to create another Java file in the same SRC. Right click, class. I want to create person manager. So this is my second
Mm-hmm.
class.
Okay.
So here if you see here, right, inside SRC, inside SRC we are creating all calculator classes and Java classes. It's not the right way to keep everything in one place, correct?
Yes.
So like it's
Like the example you gave in
yes,
house. Yeah.
in a house we don't want to create one big room. We want to create
Mm-hmm.
one small living room and kitchen and bathroom,
Mm-hmm.
bedroom, something like this.
Mm-hmm.
Different rooms, correct? In
Correct.
the
Yeah.
similar way here also I don't want to keep everything in one place. So what I want to do, let me remove it. What to
You
remove it?
just right click then remove. Oh,
Yeah, just right click and press the delete button.
okay.
Then that file will be deleted from your SRC if you don't want. Okay, now
Okay. Got
right click and new, select
it.
class. So here calculator. See here on the top what it is saying, the use default package is not discouraged. Okay. Now whenever you are creating calculator class, right, so all calculator related files I want to keep in a specific folder.
Correct.
So that
Yes.
folder you can create com.calc. So did you see this? Com is a super folder. Inside that you will see a subfolder. Okay, first we will see. So did you see the cam.calc, and this is our class name, and inside the packages just I had given a com.calc. Just finish it, you will
Okay.
see more clarity. Did you see this inside src?
There is
There
a
are some
package
other
now.
folders created. Com, calc. Inside that my calculator is there. Okay. Now I want to create person class. Okay. So go back to src. Right click. Calc. Person. So all person related files I want to keep under
Person.
com/person. You can go. This is you can give any name. There is no any rule. So the general rule for package is always we have to create with a lowercase.
Okay, lowercase.
Yes,
Okay.
this is the main rule actually. You can give uppercase also, but it's not a coding standard. It's a wrong coding standard.
Mm-hmm.
So finish it. Yes. Now if you come back to your src, we have a com and we have a calculator. We have a person. Correct. All calculator related files you can keep under calc
Calculator.
folder. All person related files you can keep under.
Person folder.
So this is the advantage of package.
Okay.
We are doing packaging. We are doing a package of similar kind of thing. We are keeping in one place.
Okay.
Okay. Now go back to. So you understood, right? What is the purpose of package?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
It's a standard practice as well,
Yes, it's
right?
a
I mean,
standard
in your
package.
work. Okay.
So in work environment, we should not keep all the files in src. So create a different package or folders and keep the things into that particular package.
Folder.
Okay. And now you are asking morning, right? In general, how many do we create more projects or not in real time?
Yeah.
Okay. Say for instance, you are working under calculator. So you are the uh, author for calculator. So you are writing your code here under calculator, correct? So this is your dedicated folder. So you will write all calculator related files here. Same
Okay.
project. So what I will do, I am working on person related files. So I will do all related person files under here. So I will
Okay.
not touch your files. You will not touch my files.
Okay. One more question, silly question. So
Mhm.
this, let's say the package demo,
Uh-huh.
in real life, it will be created by like tester or someone will create like test lead or let's say
Generally,
test lead. Yeah.
test lead will create and he will say all of his team members, all people please use this project and create
Okay.
corresponding your packages and you can write your coding here.
Okay, got it. Yeah, I
So
just wanted to
lead
know
will
how it
create this
works.
project and the team members they can create their own packages and they can start writing their classes.
Okay, makes sense.
Otherwise
Yeah.
no, I should not modify your files, right? You should not touch my files.
More. Yes,
So you
yes.
can create your own folder, you can do whatever you want.
Okay, makes
So
sense.
in that way, in real time, we will create one project and we will create multiple packages.
See. Okay.
So like this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now we will see the warning part. Right click, new class. So here I am trying to create a XYZ class name. What it is telling, if you read the warning message, the use of default package is discouraged. Did you see any default, did you given any package name here?
No.
So that's what it will. If you are not giving any package name, then the default there is no package and it will fall under SRC.
Oh, okay.
So they are telling it is not a good practice.
Oh, I see. Okay.
It's a warning. Do it's telling please try to give some package.
Okay.
Don't write everything into SRC. Please try to give some package Say for instance, if I'll give something, it gone, right?
Yeah.
So if I'll remove it,
That
again
was
it
my
will come
question
back.
because sometimes my program it ran, but
It will run. It's a
I
warning, right? The warning means
yeah,
it will run, but it's not a good practice.
it is not a good practice. Yeah.
So in real time, right, we have to take care of these warnings. Why? Because if you write coding like this, it will work 100%, no issue. But your lead will come
Mm-hmm.
and talk to you. This is not the right way to do the program. Please create some packages.
Mm-hmm.
So you'll give a
Okay.
coding warnings.
Uh-huh.
So then you
Uh-huh.
have to write a packages for all the classes.
Uh-huh.
It will
Okay.
work fine, but code review, they will do the review of your code, then they will give comments for your code.
Oh, I
There
see.
is no
Okay.
packages, please create some packages.
Mm-hmm.
So that is the example of package. So now you understood, right, why that warning came?
Yes, I understood.
Okay, now go back to our calculator class. So if you
Mm-hmm.
expand this calculator class, did you see the at the starting of the class package and there is a com.calc? Did you notice?
Yes.
So what it
Yes.
mean, if you open your file, right, so package is a keyword and com is a parent folder, and inside that we are sitting calc is a subfolder, and inside that we have a file. It is just a
Mm-hmm.
path.
Okay.
It is just a path
Mm-hmm.
actually.
Mm-hmm.
In the similar way, take this person, you see this com is the parent folder, and
Mm-hmm.
inside the subfolder is person.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So if at all if you are creating any class with this package, then definitely the package statement should be there. Otherwise, you will get a compilation error.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
So this is the parent folder, correct? Com. Inside that we
Correct.
have a two
Correct.
subfolders, person and class.
Correct.
So
Mm-hmm.
person is a subfolder, and inside that we have a class. So that is the notification.
Mm-hmm.
Say for instance, now I will create another class inside SRC without any package.
Mm-hmm.
This is not the right way to create. Going forward,
Mm-hmm.
whatever classes you are creating, try to add some
Uh-huh.
package.
Okay.
Don't leave
Okay.
this box empty.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
but for just for our testing purpose, I'm not giving any package name and finish it.
Mm-hmm.
So I created a another class called xyz,
Right. Mm-hmm.
and there is no package for xyz. It is sitting under src, correct?
Yes. Yes.
So this XYZ is directly sitting under SRC. Okay. If you will
Mm-hmm.
open the XYZ class, did you see any package statement here?
No, I don't see anything like package com dot
Yes.
xyz.
Because there is no package for this class.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
So that's what you will not see any package.
Uh-huh.
So if
Uh-huh.
we
Okay. I
open,
do have one question.
yeah.
Uh, let's say I want to move this one to, one of the
Oh,
packages. Let's just pretend that, it's supposed to be under cal class or person
Okay.
class.
Uh-huh.
How do I do this?
Yeah. Now
Drag and drop?
by mistakenly you have created under SRC. It's supposed to be under calc.
Yes.
Okay, then what you will do, you can drag and drop here. Before that, I think you have to close it. Okay, now what you will do, you can drag and drop. What is saying? Okay, you what you will do first, copy it
Mm-hmm.
and paste into calculator. Copy and paste into calc. Okay, then
Okay.
you decided we can move that drag and drop also. Somewhat my Eclipse is giving problem. So if you are
Okay.
not able to
Makes
move
sense.
drag and drop, you copy and paste it. Then you decided you don't want this one. Then you can delete it.
Okay. Got
Okay,
it.
now come back to XYZ. See now if you see the error,
Yep.
there is error is there. What it mean?
The red thing. Yep.
the declare package does not match expected. So meaning, see now this class is sitting under where? It is not sitting under default package, correct?
Yes.
It should be under com calci, right?
Yes.
Then we have to define the package, correct?
Okay, then we can type package.com dot
Correct. Com dot calci ending with
semicolon.
com dot spelling mistake.
CLAC.
Yes, I had given a typo. Yeah. Okay,
Uh-huh.
we'll follow the same thing. Okay, so we have to give the package. Otherwise, it will not compile it. You kept the package under some package, but you are not defining the package inside the class. So that's what the error.
I see. Okay, got
If
it.
you keep any file under package, and definitely the package statement should be there.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Otherwise,
Okay.
the program will not allow you to compile. The JDK will not allow you to compile the program.
Yes, makes sense.
So you understood, right? What is the purpose of package?
Yes. Yes,
So in
yes.
real time, you just follow this package. You create some package.
Mm-hmm.
In real time, say for instance, you have a, say for instance, you are working on a healthcare module. So you create a
Okay.
package like a com dot registration, patient
Okay.
registration, com dot registration,
Uh-huh.
one package.
Uh-huh.
Com dot
Uh-huh.
doctors.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, com
Mm-hmm.
dot
Bill
operations,
payments.
com dot
Yeah.
billing,
Mm-hmm.
com dot outgoing patients, something like that. You create some different or some packages.
Mm-hmm.
So all operation related classes you can write in one package. All new patient registration will be under one packages, correct? So like
Correct.
that you can create your own, you can segregate and you can create
Mm-hmm.
your own packages.
Okay. Okay.
So you got right now what is the purpose of the packages.
Yes. Yes.
So this is in real time we have to follow this standards. The package name should be the always lowercase and the package should be the first statement in class.
I
So
see.
you
Okay.
cannot
Mm.
keep this package statement at the end. It will not allow.
Oh, it will give you an error.
It
Okay.
will give an
Ah,
error. So in a class, if there is a package is there, then that statement should be the
should be
first.
the first one.
Should be the first. If
Mm-hmm.
package is there, if
Mm-hmm.
there is no package, then you can ignore it. No problem.
Mm-hmm.
If there is a package, then you have to create a package statement and it should be the first.
Mm-hmm.
So this is one of the coding standard.
Okay.
Okay, this is clear, right, so far?
Yeah, this is clear. Yeah, before I used to just memorize, but
Yeah,
now,
yeah.
things are getting
Yeah,
clear to
no,
me.
nothing. You no need to remember. Just this is general practice. That's all.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, now there is another point. So inside calculator, what I want to do, I want to create a simple method. Public, you can ignore for public int add,
Mm-hmm.
and it will take two numbers,
Mm-hmm.
integer x comma integer y. So these are the two numbers, and
Mm-hmm.
integer sum equal to x plus y, and return
Mm-hmm.
sum.
That. Okay.
So this is a simple calculator, correct?
Mm-hmm.
What it will do, it will take two numbers and it will add that numbers and it will return it back. This
Mm-hmm.
calculator is clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. So this calculator is available under Calci package.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now go back to person. So
Mm-hmm.
inside person, what I want to do, I want public static void main. So how can I get
Okay.
it? MAIN, just type
Just
control space bar. So you
control
will get this
space.
one.
Yeah.
So control
Mm-hmm.
space, this is the shortcut, and select the method.
Mm-hmm.
So you will get default method.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, now what I want to do, I want to use add operation. So how can I call
Okay.
this
You
add
wanna?
method? I have to create Object,
An
correct?
object.
Yes. So let me create object. Calculator. CALCulator calculator CALC equal to new calculator.
Calculator.
Yes. Did you see this? There is the error is there. It's the error is not going. Did you see the spelling is same or not?
The spelling is different.
Oh yes. Typo actually. CLACU. Now
No, the error is still here.
now still error is there, correct? Spelling is same but still error is there. Did you see this?
Yes.
Why? Because so if you create calculator, it is expecting the calculator class should be there in this package.
Okay.
This calculator should be there in this package, but calculator is not there in this package, correct? It is there some
Yes.
different package.
Yes.
So we are not able to refer from here to here.
Okay.
We are not able to link between this to this. What we have to do? We have to import this class into person.
Person.
So how to import it? So we have to write a statement here. Import. So this calculator is there under which package? Com dot
Cal package.
CALC, correct?
CALAC. Yeah.
Right. Yeah. So this calculator is available under which package? Com slash
CALAC. No.
CLAC, correct?
Uh-huh.
Under CLAC, which class you want to import? I want only calculator.
Okay.
Now the error is gone because this calculator is not there in your person class. It is there in some different package. So you have to import that one. Then you can
You have
able
to
to
import the package, right?
you have to
That's what you
import
did.
package plus which class you want exactly.
Oh, I see.
Don't import everything what you want exactly, tell me. So you want only calculator, so import only calculator. You don't want XYZ, you can ignore that
Correct.
one.
Yes.
I want only calculator, just import it. So it
Okay.
understands. Now what you are doing, so the Apple or Samsung phones are in general they are manufacturing in South Korea. If you want to buy Samsung phone, what you will do, you have to import it, right? You have to import the
Of course.
Samsung
Yeah.
phone from South Korea to US, correct? The similar way, if South Korea people want Apple phone, what they have to do, they have to import the phone from US to South Korea.
Correct.
If they
Yes.
don't have anything, they have to import it, correct?
Yes,
In
correct.
the similar way, what we are doing here we need, in person class we are expecting calculator, but there is no calculator. So calculator is lying under calc. So just we are importing that class. So import is a keyword, and from where you want to import? Com, calc, under calculator.
Okay, makes sense.
So this is the way. Then you can create an object. CALC dot
Dot
add
sum or whatever.
spelling mistake.
Add.
So here we need to keep public.
Add.
Okay, now come back here. So here add. So give here 10 and 40. So you will get results as a
50.
50, correct. So now if you run it, you will get 50,
Yeah.
correct? So the package,
Yes.
so in real time So we will not keep everything in one place, so we are keeping in different place. So you need to import whatever you need, then you can start create an object, and you can start calling the operation whatever you want, and you will get your results back.
Okay, makes sense. Hmm.
This is clear, right?
This is clear.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now I will tell you another definition. uh,
Okay.
yeah, see, did you see here add?
Mm-hmm.
Last time I think that I had given one definition called encapsulation. Encapsulation means creating an object and getting the members, correct? So you are keeping all the related things like variables and methods in a class, and by creating an object you can able to access that members, correct?
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
that is
you were
called,
saying something like combining methods and variables
yes, that is called
into
encapsulation.
something.
Yes, this, if you
Yeah.
see your capsule, inside the capsule there may be n number of vitamins, correct? So
Yes.
they are wrapping all those things in a single capsule and they are giving to you, correct?
Yes.
That is called capsules, with encapsulation.
Encapsulation. Yep.
Yes, now there is another definition,
Mm-hmm.
abstraction. So what it mean by abstraction? Abstraction means if you see this add method, what add method
Mm-hmm.
will do, it will take two numbers and it will give to you sum, correct?
Correct. Yep.
Two numbers are inputs and one sum is the output. So inside the add method, in what they are doing exactly, that we don't care, correct?
We don't care. Yep.
So just we need to give two numbers and it will give back to you sum. So that is what we
Mm-hmm.
do. So this is called abstraction. So in really how they are adding these numbers, that we don't know, correct? So how they implemented this add method, that we don't care.
Mm-hmm.
So this is
It's like
called,
something hiding or
it's
something
hiding
invisible.
unnecessary. This is unnecessary, right? I will give you a real time example, then you will understand. Say for instance, if you go to the ATM, what you
Mm-hmm.
will do, you'll put your card, right? Debit card.
Yeah.
Then
Yeah.
you will type your
Uh-huh.
password. Then what it will
Uh-huh.
say, your password is verified. Then it will display all the menu. Withdrawal,
Uh-huh.
change password, something, correct?
Uh-huh.
So when you keep your card, when you're typing your password, so who will validate?
Uh-huh.
How, where it is validating?
Machine.
Do you need all those
Mm-hmm.
things?
No.
You don't care, right? How they are validating,
Mm-hmm.
what are the services they are calling, what database they
Mm-hmm.
are using. Do you need all those things? User never
No.
ask, right? So just they will put his
Mm-hmm.
card, he will type it, he will get the cash. He don't care whether they are using which database, what service they are using, whether they are connected to database or not. They don't care all those things, correct?
Don't care. Yep.
This is called as a abstraction.
Abstraction.
You just need, you want a cash, that's all, correct? You put your card,
Mm-hmm.
just key in your password, you will get cash. But
Mm-hmm.
how your password is validating, how, from where you are getting the cash, that and all you don't care.
Okay.
So this is called as a abstraction. Hiding unnecessary data and showing necessary data.
Hiding unnecessary data. Okay.
So validating password and getting the cache, all those things is unnecessary data, right? For user.
Mm-hmm.
Here also
Mm-hmm.
same, what you want to add two numbers. That cursor,
Mm-hmm.
that's all, right? So just give two numbers and you will get results.
Mm-hmm.
But the actual
Okay, makes
real
sense.
implementation is this one, correct? So this is the real implementation.
Mm-hmm.
We are
Okay.
taking one new variable called sum and we are adding two numbers and we are returning it back. So these things you don't see all those things here, right? Did you see here?
Mm-hmm.
You will not
So they are
see the
hiding the implementation and they're showing only, you know, what do you
inputs and
call that?
output.
Functionality?
Yes,
Yeah, output.
just see the inputs and see the output. If you see in ATM
Uh-huh.
also, you will see, you will type in something that is called as the inputs and you will see the results menu, like your password is successful or your password is failed. So this is the results.
Uh, uh-huh.
So you want that thing only. You don't want database connectivity, services, link,
Yes,
all those
yes,
things, correct? That is
yes.
unnecessary for you. So that is called as abstraction. Showing necessary
Mm-hmm.
data and hiding unnecessary data is called as abstraction. This is also one of the very, very
Abstraction.
important question.
Yes, yes. Okay.
So this is also one of the OOPS concept. OOPS concept.
Okay.
They will ask you, give me some OOPS concept. Then you can say abstraction, encapsulation, overloading, overriding, inheritance.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
That
Okay,
much
no
is enough.
problem.
If you say some 5 concepts, then they're happy.
Yeah, okay. Got it.
So you got right, abstraction,
Yes.
encapsulation, and today what we discussed are packages.
Overloading, yep.
Yeah, overloading, correct. Still packages, there is some more concepts is there that we will discuss as part of next class.
Okay, no
Package
problem.
is not completed, but still there are some topics is there. Just we will discuss as part of next class. So that is a little bit
Okay.
confusing. So I want to start
Okay.
that one as a freshly.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, so far it's clear, right? Do you have any questions?
No, I don't.
Okay, but still if you have any questions, you can practice it. Still, if you have any
Yes.
questions, we will discuss as part of next class.
Okay, no problem.
It's
Thank you.
fine, right? Yeah. So I will update this video and files and I'll send out an email. Okay.
Okay, thank you very
Yeah, fine.
much.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks. Bye.
Have a nice weekend.
Yeah. Thanks.
Bye.
Same to you. Yeah.